the git command that feels like black magic until it breaks everything, then it feels like blackmail. We are talking about Rebase. So what is Rebase? Rebase is the rewrite history button. It lets you take all your messy, chaotic, slightly embarrassing commits and pretend they were always clean, logical, and professional. It's Git therapy. Let's unpack your mistakes and stitch together a better past. Why do devs use it? Because merge is honest but messy. Your commit history looks like spaghetti spilled on a chalkboard. Rebase, it makes you look like a code wizard who planned everything, instead of someone who spent 4 hours debugging a missing semicolon. But here's the deal, rebase before you push, not after. Because once you share that branch with the team, rebasing is like changing the group project without telling anyone. Suddenly, you're the villain in a Git crime documentary. Do not rebase. Number 1, shared branches. Number 2, production branches. Number 3, that branch Steve is working on right now, or anything you don't fully understand. Rebase is a scalpel. Precise, clean, but in the wrong hands, it's a chainsaw in a server room. Use it to clean up before the pull request. Squash all those final fix login actually works now, commits into one beautiful commit that makes you look like a genius. Rebase doesn't fix your code. It just makes you look cooler when people review it. Remember, merge tells the truth. Rebase tells the story you want others to believe. Just don't get high on your own history rewrite.